हेलो दोस्तों, मैं यास्मीन विल्ली ट्रेड से एडी होप का क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन लाई हूँ। लेट्स सी। एडी होप वाज एन ऑस्ट्रेलियन पोएट एंड एसिस्ट नोन फॉर हिज सैटारिकल स्लांट। वो सैटारिकल स्लांट है। ही वॉज ऑल्सो अ क्रिटिक टीचर एंड academic. He was referred to in an American journal as the 20th century's greatest 18th century poet. In the poem Australia, Eddie Hope questioned the idea that Australia is civilized. In the first five stanzas, the poet talks about Australia. He describes how it is both a new and old country, geologically old but politically new, and how it is both a European colony and an independent but a parasitical country. The next two stanzas talk about the wildness of Australia. The poet describes Australia as being a nation of trees, drab green and desolate grey, that darkens her hills. He sees Australia as a country that is bleak and almost colorless and dull. This very much resembles the filled unform of modern vase, where everything is in shade of grey and green. The poet likens the country to a sphinx. The sphinx was a figure from Egyptian myths which possessed the body of lion and head of a man. This comparison would be directly related to the author's vision of Australia. ऑस्ट्रेलिया से कंपेयर किया है जो लॉयन से, और एक स्पिंक्स नाम का है होता है एनिमल, उससे इन्होंने ऑस्ट्रेलिया का कंपैरिजन किया. द पोएट सजेस्ट दैट ऑस्ट्रेलियाज realm of intelligence and power have now been worn away, which suggests that Australia used to be better than it is now. He believes that Australia is a country that is old. People may call Australia a young country, but they lie. Australia to him is the last of land, the emptiest woman beyond her change of life, a breast still tender but within the womb is dry. Australia may be considered as young by the world's standard, but it is empty within. It has only external beauty but no inner beauty. Australia to him is devoid of culture, which is without song, architecture, and history. He sees Australia as being a country that has neither historical background nor culture to speak of. He believes that it has the capability to do so. However, the ideas are drowned among Iceland's sand. Aus- Next paragraph. Australia is parade portrayed Australia is portrayed as a country that is nothing at all, where there are monotonous trips from Cairns to Perth. The five main cities are compared to five teeming shores. The people who come to live in Australia do not boast of living but rather merely serving. Ab conclude the last two stanza refers to the modern civilization of Australia. For hope, the civilization of Australia is nothing but the false imitation of cultured apes which is mistaken as modern civilization. अगर दोस्तों आपको ये टॉपिक अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर कीजिए। अगर और कोई टॉपिक चाहिए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके आप मुझे बताएं, हम आपको प्रोवाइड कराएंगे। ओके बाय।